So we're here at the Dumaguete Public Market, where you can buy goods that you might need. You got comic books, movies, you get your hair cut, bags, dresses, clothes. You got speakers, jewelry, all sorts of things. Your rags, gloves. Of course, you can catch your jeepney over here to Sibulan. Across the street, there's a hotel, bike shop. All right, we're gonna head on in. Check it out. You got a halo, all sorts of different little things. Good place to eat over here. I think the gimbal has a mind of its own. It does. It's developed a little drift in the remote, probably from being packed in. All sorts of handmade baskets, crafts, brooms. Craft goods, more bags, all sorts of bags. We got the hair salon, some dresses over here. Oh, beauty shop. Bags. Some cell phone cases. Some fake jewelry. Look over here. Some likely real jewelry. Don't trust anything. Don't trust anything. So for parking over here, I believe the parking is free. Usually I give the attendant 5 pesos or something. They will look over your vehicle. Let me straighten this up. Barbershop, secondhand store. You get your wax or haircut, all sorts of clothes. So we're walking towards where the food will be, and we'll check that out and see what's going on over there. Here we got eggs. Looks like 8.5 pesos each, which seems expensive for compared to other markets I've been to. I won't say it's expensive. It's expensive compared to other markets I've been to. Other people over here, just some cologne. Sorry store selling different things. To my left back there was an uka, which is used clothing. Here we are in the food spot where they're gonna have different restaurants, and at these little restaurants they have a variety of prepared food, and usually it's pretty affordable. I like to eat at places like this. Yeah, you spend $2, you get a whole meal. Over here we've got some fresh papaya, some green mangoes. Those are always good. sandals, shirts. There's a lot of these little road bikes here. They're easy to maintain, good on fuel, and they get people around. I mean, what more could you want, really? If you need a bucket, you know, any plastic wares, you can get that down here at the market in Dumaguete. Looks like we got a money changer. Some old money. Oh, they're a metal buyer. They buy metal. So they got silver and things like that. Now here we are. We're in the meat section. We're gonna have, you know, different fish, chicken, you know, just different meats. And don't ask me any prices because I don't really know what's going on here. It's my first time. I get the tuyo, dried fish. Oh, some fresh fish going on over here. Some shrimp. Everybody likes shrimp. Oh, we got some tuna. Nice slabs of meat. Oh, forgotten bangus. Bangus is one of the local delicacies here. A lot of people really like that here. It's okay. It's actually pretty good. It's like a white fish. Not very flavorful. Over here, mackerel. Small mackerel going on. All sorts of vegetables and produce. Tomatoes and onions. Cabbage. Lettuce. Oil. Vinegar. Coffee. Different grades of sugar. You know, whatever you want. Now, another thing about being down here is there's all these other stores. So they get the drugstore, you need motorcycle parts. So you can get motorcycle parts around here. Clothes. I saw a shop with some fake Nikes. 1,000 pesos for 3 pairs. I'm not gonna buy them, but if you're in the market for some shoes and you don't really care, then it'll work. If you need Wi-Fi, they got the piso Wi-Fi across the street. You know, you put 5 pesos in, you get, I think it's 10 minutes on 5 pesos. You know, if you're watching still, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, show some support. Feel free to leave me a comment, like, thumbs up. Any sort of interaction helps the YouTube algorithm. Sorry, there's no. Looks like there's no lumpia wrapper maker here. All right. We're gonna call that a wrap, and see you later. Bye-bye.